Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a group in the Likee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the groups button, and then click on the plus sign at the bottom of the page on the right. And as you can see, you can choose that who can join your group, so just choose the one that you want, and then you have to name your group as well. And you can also set if you want to display this on your profile or not. And you can once more modify who can join your group. But if you are... Oh, and you can also add a photo to the group. But if you are satisfied with everything, just click on the create button. And you can invite friends if you have, but you can skip that and do it later. And your group is your group chat is done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.